this video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open TikTok on your device and make sure that you're signed in to your account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find the profile button. Click on this button as this will take you to your profile. Now at the top right corner of your profile, click on this burger icon. This will take you to another page where you'll find a settings button. So on settings and privacy, look for the report a problem button and click on this. This will take you to a new page. Now in this page, you'll be able to find answers to different problems that TikTok users often encounter. So click on the live section. Under this, click on hosting a live. This will take you to another page. Now in here, click on live is suspended, or if it isn't the reason, then click on another reason why you can't go live. And here, just click on no and click on need help button. This will allow you to create a ticket for your report. So in this area, you'll need to explain your problem, such as you can't go live and the reason why you can't go live, and express your desire to go live now. You can attach a photo or a video to prove your argument and click on the submit button once you're done to submit your ticket. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.